I was just listening to Santa's music. But hey guys, welcome back to another Just Three video!
Piplup plays, so oh my gosh, I flew.
Yeah, and this isn't really like a sponsored video, but I'm just gonna say, if any of you guys really like video games, and you watch people and you're like, hey, where do they get those games from on the computer? It's called Steam, which it's free. And how didn't you get detected there? And I have this game called Warframe, if any of you guys don't know about it. But I have it on PS4 too, and I've been playing Warframe, and it's super cool. And another game I have is Besiege, which I bought. And that game is also really cool if you like designing cars and stuff, or like planes. No, around your dead faces, get out! No, just kill yourself. There's no way you're gonna get back up. Just stay in the water. Oh, you're glitched anyway. You're still alive, Jimmy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, wait a second.
You were still breathing. Dead.
Yeah. I don't think he does. Oh my gosh,
Go get run over by a thingy.
Wait, first you gotta jump.
Oh, you can see my socks.
Beep. Oh my gosh, look at all that. Yay, I'm dead for sure.
Yeah. You are Illuminati.
What?
Now just wait for one.
Yeah, wait right in the middle. Keep on lookout.
The hit will probably kill you.
On here. Right here?
It will come back when the train comes. Kill yourself!
Train's like
Commercial break! Commercial break! I am Sans! I
Are
will
you kidding me?
Oh, you are for me.
That's
Throw a grenade! Throw a grenade. No, by your face.
In Spanish? Was there a road down here?
Steal a car.
Ah!
Threat level, here we go.
Kill him!
Ah!
Ah! Get enough, you hackle! Go!
I don't wanna go to school. I just wanna break the rules. Excuse me. Of course.
No, get up! Get in somebody else's car.
No, that's not again.
Dispatch. Target is still at large. Find him.
How dare you? They can't find me.
He just comes down. Here I
What the heck?
am. So that guy's car.
But that's an evil turn.
Yeah, there's only evil turds. Just grab it and run. And wait for the guy to poke his head out. Ah! And then get into vehicle. Save me!
Oh boy, fast.
I'll smash that guy's face.
I need to go really fast.
Reports of hostiles in the area. All units respond.
Why?
No.
You know I'm gonna escape you.
Yeah!
You were driving the wrong side of the road! And they call that good guys? Oh.
That guy's
my-
driving on the wrong side of the road.
Hello!
Now smash his face hole.
Oh!
Smash his face hole.
Yeah! That
That guy just comes in. Smash there's face hole. Oh no, get out! Get out! Get out! You're gonna die! Get in another car, they're chasing you. They're behind you.
How far behind you? Oh! Oh gosh, there's that behind that! There's that close.
Look behind you and steal their car, dude.
Oh god! What the?
Steal their car.
Supposed to happen? They call themselves the good guys. Really?
I hope you guys saw that. They just the
They
juggernaut.
can't see me.
The
I'm in
ju-
a tree.
But the juggernaut just came up and smashed their car. And no one was gonna get in it.
They see me.
Initializing search protocol. Find the target as soon as possible.
ASAP. ASAP.
Oh my gosh, they better not be searching by
And we only have 33 minutes for this video, which is probably enough.
He got away. Resume normal duties.
Excuse me. Give me a
No! No!
Oh my gosh, they called us off. I'm going. Get off the road. Get off the road.
Gabushki!
Wow. Oh, wow.
Hi, friend!
Hello.
Bye, friend! Bye, friend!
Hello.
Oh, and don't you have a computer?
Oh gosh, he's begged me.
You should get Steam on it.
Yes.
'Cause then you could get... Oh my god, what? Dude, you jumped off onto another car. Jumped off onto a dune buggy.
Are they gonna come chase me? Oh my gosh, I can see you. Oh, are they chasing me? Hello? Get out me car! Vroom, vroom. Oh my gosh, why can't I move?
Because you're going uphill. Oh, that guy just went up.
I'm not dying. No! Oh gosh, turn.
This is not Mario Kart.
No. Oh my god.
And you're like, turn.
Well, they lost visual because yes, they fell down the cliff. Oh my god, yes.
Yep, they died.
They died. It's sad.
Target is at large. Re-establish visual contact immediately.
Dude, get in the car.
Nope.
Or not. Dude, derp, 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 derp.
Where do we roll?
All units on alert. Re-establish
Nope.
visual contact.
Oh nope, I'm going for it. Oh gosh, no! Wrong button. Oh gosh.
You do down to go up.
No, I don't want to know.
What's happening out there? Respond immediately.
Or just use your parachute to go down.
Oh, it's square. I'm an idiot. Walk safely around.
It's a nice, peaceful day. Going down the mountain, parachute.
What the heck? It looked like I was working.
You're like, do.
I think I'm near city. Oh, those are bad. Oh, those are bad guys. Oh, I thought I saw the bad guys. Bad turn.
Yeah.
For any people who watch Stranger Things, bad man.
Yeah, we'll be back once we get somewhere. Go, 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 go!
Activity reported. Get to the following coordinates
Dun,
immediately.
dun, 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 dun. And you can hold R3 to look back. The right stick. You just to look around. Go smash those motorcycle dude bros.
Yep, they're gonna die.
Holy crap! Holy crap! No! Ah!
They're also like turning back, trying to block me, but they can't.
Cause they're a motorcycle.
Look at all those cars. They're just like,
What happened to that truck? It flipped.
that truck didn't even care.
Car. Dude, that was a good car.
Do
That
you
was
have
a,
it?
yes, but it was a super fast car. You should have went in it.
No, I already have this truck. And this should lead me to the city. Lost visual already. How did I get a vehicle
Lost visual
destroyed?
contact. All units.
I probably
Fan
ran
out
into
and
that
search.
truck that flipped over. Because there's two trucks that were flipped over. How did someone smack you in the head? Go, go, go. Keep going on, dude, bro. Go, go. Keep going. Dude, you're going to the water.
Oh, I am. Oh my god.
Go past those guys. Gonna need to get a different truck soon.
Oh, god.
Did you hear that guy? He was like, whoa, 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 whoa. Holy crap, get out, get out, get out, we're trying to go.
Oh god.
4 units. Find the rebel.
Oh no, they got me, they got me. I'm gonna get one of those motorcycles.
Oh. Motorcycle. Oh no, cycle. Motorcycle finder. Motorcycle found. Motorcycle found. Zoom in.
Move, move the computer. I can't.
This is a computer. Kill him. Go. Hi. Wee.
This is called off-roaded.
That guy's burning.
That's not saving people. That's killing one of your own friends.
Yeah, they're just murderers. They're killing their friends. What are those guys doing? Smash his face hole. He got wrecked by a car door.
Oh my god. What? Where are they? I'm running. Oh, he's on me.
There's so many guys coming for you. Hi, Jimmy.
I got him!
Ah!
Oh, I see a motorcycle.
Yeah.
He just ran back into that. Oh my gosh, he just ran right into that.
There's a goat.
Wow, let me ride you. Come on.
You're gonna kill him.
What's up, boss? Let me take your car. Yeah. Oh, they just got out, and then I just like not died. Oh, I see a motorcycle. Oh my gosh! No! No! Get through!
Go, 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 go!
Ow. Free Shavakadoo. Please.
Oh crap.
Called some to gaps. Ow.
Alright, once you lose your heat, we'll end the video because this video is getting long and we don't want to run out of video recording stuff because then it will just end without an outro. Woohoo!
Oh no.
I think you're getting close to the city. Woo! That was epic. Shoot at that guy. Press R1 to shoot at him. Ah! Dude, get back on your moto. Get back on your roadhog cycle. Oh, no. Ah. Have it itchy.
Get near the city. I'm flying to the city where there are other cars besides army cars. Oh!
Whoa! Ah! You're dead.
Oh my gosh!
In your mom's car!
That guy just blew up for some reason. see motorcycle. Oh what? No! I'm totally
Initializing search protocol. Find the target as soon as possible.
Zoom in. Enhance image. Enhance image. Enhance image.
They're just like moving for me. I'm like, thank you.
First person. Terrible first person.
Oh, you got on the wrong side of the road. Unlike me. Pro driver.
Locate the rebel immediately. Do not let him escape.
Silk me.
Look at that crack in his window. Look at that crack. Oh, the crack is gone now. The crack is gone. There's literally a dude right there behind you.
I think he. Oh my god.
Meow. Meow.
Oh my gosh. Just to get to the city, man. Oh my gosh. Just trying to kill his old friend.
Ah! I zoomed in a bunch. Save me, please! No! No!
Go, go.
Why?
What the heck?
That's a church. On the other side of it, you can lose heat.
No!
Dude, jump out. You can, okay, go back up there. On the other side of the church, and then you can talk to that guy and lose heat. Okay, go into that place. Jump. You can jump.
This is
Just jump.
dispatch. Request received.
And then go in there. Go to the right. That's left. And then go to the left. There's no priest.
On alert. Reestablish visual contact.
Could have lost heat. Wait, is there a guy right here? Behind you.
It's like a dead end.
That's in front of you, behind you.
It's a dead end.
Yeah, but you're looking in front of yourself.
Unable to locate target.
Finally! Well, we'll pause the video.
We'll see you guys. Yeah, we'll see you guys.
In the next video of Just Cause 3 or something. Split it again.
I gotta go back up.
Pew 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 pew. Pew 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 on the tree.
In the next video.
Whoa.